Hi guys, I was gifted this 100 feet of Cat 8 Ethernet cable from the seller to show you all the advantages of this. So this is Cat 8, so that's 8 twists per inch, which means your internet will run faster with it. This is indoor or outdoor rated. It has nice ends on it here that are metal and the protective boot here. So let me go hook it up and I'll hook it to my laptop and see what kind of speeds we get out of it. My internet's kind of slow, but we'll see. I'm sure this thing will make it work good though. All right, so this is how you hook it up to your laptop. You just plug it right into the Ethernet port right here. I have the other end plugged up to my router. I just did a speed test and Wi-Fi, it was 100, and then I did it on Ethernet and it was 150. So that just tells you that the Ethernet is a better connection. So if you're trying to hook up a gaming console or something that relies on really good internet, go ahead and get this Cat 8. It's definitely going to work great for you. So go ahead and get it.